Okay, so let's see what we get inside of this second day of macro. As of now, anticipating a displacement lower after we have accumulated above 21,190, as I already said, after the first day of macro. And we're looking for displacement here in price. We have somewhat of an SMT between NQ and ES as well. And if we got a displacement here, that would be a valid short for us to take. I've put the quality of the stream down to 720 FPS, so hopefully it is working better on the majority of you guys' devices and everyone can see the video. So just let me know inside of the chat whether you lot can actually hear me and also see the video inside the stream as well, because I put the quality down just a little bit. So as of now, ES hasn't displaced yet, so I want to see more of a displacement for ES because it's not yet displaced. If we don't get a displacement lower for ES, then I'm not going to be interested in looking for shorts as of now. So if we see ES start to displace below this previous short-term low, then we can look for an entry on NQ. But as of now, we're not looking for shorts. We're going to wait for both of the pairs NQ and ES to be correlated. And that's not even really much of a displacement on NQ either, because we preferably want to see the candle actually close below that previous short-term low. This is more of a sweep. When you see the candle actually wick back above the place when you're looking for a displacement. Someone said the quality is terrible. Shall I put it back up to 1080, I think? Okay, so ES has started to displace here. I might give shorts a go. Okay.
Order filled.
We'll run our stop at the previous short-term high. 21,197.50. We're going to run a first TP at this previous short-term low, which is at 24 handles, so 157.75. We run second TP at 127.25, so 21,127.25. And final TP is going to be ran at the New York opening price, which is at 0.27. So let me just get the levels in for TPs right now. Get that second buy limit in, and then our final TP is going to be ran at this level here, so at 0.28. $0.2850. Alright, calm. So that's
order filled.
That's first TP smash, so it moves stops to break even at this point. Make sure you change your stops. Okay, so stops at break even. We should see this 1 minute bearish actually close up and get respected. So stops at break even would be valid at this point. You at least should reduce your stops down to a 9 handle risk at 191. But for me personally, I'm going to leave the stops at break even. We should see this 1 minute bearish actually close up. It's a possibility that will get tapped into, and it should get respected, and we'll see second TP and then a continuation towards the New York opening price at 20.028, which is around 153 handles. Our second TP is resting at this minor sell side liquidity, which is around 54 handles or so. But yeah, regarding, do you guys think we should stay on 720p quality for this stream? I know the quality doesn't matter, obviously you guys just want to see the stream. But do you think we should continue on 720 or go back to 1080? I think 1080 there was no problem and it looks cleaner on your side as well. So it's down to you guys, what do you think? 1080, I think there was nothing really wrong with 1080. Yeah, we'll go back to 1080 for the next stream, so don't worry about that. You won't see 720p stream again. Yeah, 720 is not going to be too bad, but obviously 1080 is going to be a lot cleaner. So we should start to see an acceleration in price here towards second TP at this level of minor sell side liquidity. Otherwise we get taken out at break even if this 1 minute bearish gap basically gets inversed higher. But we should see it start to push off this 1 minute bearish gap and run towards our second TP. But if it gets inversed, then obviously it will take us out at break even, which is not a problem. And obviously people who are new to the group as well, and you can take a look inside the Telegram chat, which is called ICT Bible. Hopefully you find it useful, where it actually states inside of there as well of the correct risk management that you should use for whatever funded account you decide to select, whether it's with TopStep, Apex or FTMO. It's all inside of that chat, so take a look at that. It will definitely benefit you if you're struggling with what correct risk management would be for your account. You can use it as some sort of guidance. Obviously you can risk more or you could risk less. It's down to your personal preference and entirely. You don't have to go off the same risk management that I suggested inside of, you know, that group there, but personally that's what I would stick with. And don't worry, obviously people who wanna basically rewatch this stream that we've just done, I have got it on record, so I'm gonna upload it on the YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe on YouTube. It's just ICT Fanatic as usual. I'm sure majority of you already subscribed on YouTube, but I'll upload it after this stream so you guys can actually rewatch the stream if you found it useful, and I'll turn it into a real format and post it on Instagram for a shorter version clip as well. So ES is getting close to this short-term low, but it should go for this short-term low at 648, which is around where our second TP is on NQ, which is at 648. Yeah, so either way, whether we get taken out at break even or not, and it continues towards second TP, as you can see, it took out that short-term high and tapped back into that 1 minute bearish gap, and price sharply, you know, moved off that direction. But it's still a possibility that we get taken out at break even, and if we do, you know, it's risk-free at this point, and it'll be a 25-point gain on the day if we was to get taken out at break even. It's only Monday of NFP week, so there's definitely a lot more to come throughout this week and the following weeks as well.
Stop filled.
Okay, so I've just been taken out on top step, so let's see whether I get taken out on the live stream as well. But I've already been taken out break even on top step, and that's us taken out there on Apex as well. So taken out at break even for a 25-point gain on the day, and obviously we're done for Monday. Good start to December, of course, and we'll be back tomorrow for the AM macro as usual. I'll upload this stream, even though it was only first TP, but I'll still upload the stream on YouTube for you guys if you want to rewatch this stream, and I'll also make it into a real format. I'll send it across to my editor to get it clipped up and upload that on Instagram shortly after as well. But yeah, anyway, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and the next stream will be on 1080p. I don't see the point in doing 720, there's not much point in doing that. And I'll speak to you guys tomorrow for the AM macro. Have a great rest of your day.